Our planet, this vibrant blue sphere teeming with life, holds secrets in its deepest oceans and darkest forests that defy our very understanding of what is possible. We believe we have explored every corner, cataloged every species, and yet, nature continues to present us with creatures so strange, so wonderfully peculiar, that they might as well have arrived from another galaxy. My name is Albert and welcome to Unknown Facts. Today we embark on a journey to meet 7 creatures that seem utterly alien, with abilities that border on the supernatural and forms that seem sculpted by a surrealist artist. Before we dive into this cabinet of natural curiosities, if you find yourself captivated by the strange and wonderful, do consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. It helps us continue our quest to uncover the unknown and bring these incredible stories to you. Now let us begin our exploration into the truly bizarre. Our first encounter takes us not to a distant star, but to the ancient lakes near Mexico City, once the heart of the Aztec Empire. Here, in the cool, murky waters, lives a creature that seems to have forgotten how to grow up. The axolotl, a salamander that has chosen to remain in its juvenile form for its entire life. It retains its feathery external gills, which fan out from its head like a magnificent otherworldly mane, and looks at the world with dark, lidless eyes. A faint, almost inscrutable smile perpetually plays on its face. Its appearance is disarmingly charming, almost cartoonish, yet it masks a biological superpower. The axolotl is a master of regeneration. If it loses a limb, it doesn't simply form a stump, it regrows the entire appendage perfectly. Bones, muscles, nerves, and skin are all recreated with flawless precision. This incredible feat extends to its spinal cord, jaw, and even portions of its brain. This ability has made it an object of intense scientific fascination. Scientists study its genome, hoping to unlock the secrets of its perfect healing. Its translucent skin allows glimpses into its inner workings. You can sometimes see the faint outlines of its organs, a ghostly blueprint of its anatomy. We now descend far from the sunlit surface world, into the crushing pressures and perpetual twilight of the deep sea. Down here, more than 1,000 meters below the waves, patrols a living fossil, the goblin shark. And its name is disturbingly appropriate. Its most defining feature is its long, flattened snout, shaped like a blade, covered in sensory organs that can detect the faint electrical fields of other creatures. In the absolute blackness of its habitat, the goblin shark doesn't see its prey. It feels its presence like a specter sensing a heartbeat in the dark. Normally its mouth appears unremarkable, tucked neatly beneath its head, but when prey comes within range, something truly monstrous happens. Its entire jaw apparatus catapults forward, extending from its face with astonishing speed, a mechanism known as slingshot feeding. This protrusible jaw is filled with long, slender, nail-like teeth, perfect for snagging soft-bodied prey in the water column. Its body is flabby and soft, a pale pinkish-gray hue. This is not a sleek predator, it's a slow, languid swimmer, a ghost that has slipped away into the abyss. From the deep ocean we travel to the humid, vibrant rainforests of Central and South America. Here, clinging to the undersides of broad green leaves, we find a creature that appears to have nothing to hide: the glass frog. Its skin, particularly on its underside, is completely transparent. Looking at a glass frog is like looking at a living, breathing biology diagram. Through its skin, you can see its internal organs functioning in real time. The tiny, beating heart, the stomach digesting insects, the liver, the intestines. This transparency is sophisticated camouflage. When pressed against a leaf, the green hue of its bones and visible organs help break up its silhouette. Light passes through its body, making it incredibly difficult for predators to spot from below. It essentially becomes part of the leaf it rests upon. The male will stand guard over eggs laid on a leaf above a flowing stream, protecting them from predatory wasps. When ready to hatch, the tadpoles wriggle free and drop directly into the water below, a carefully orchestrated strategy for survival in a forest filled with danger. We return to the ocean, to the temperate, seaweed-rich waters off the coast of southern and western Australia. Here, drifting with the gentle surge of currents, is a creature so ornate, so fantastically decorated, that it appears to be a figment of mythology. The leafy sea dragon is a masterpiece of natural disguise. Its entire body is adorned with intricate, leaf-like appendages that perfectly mimic kelp fronds. As it drifts, it is virtually indistinguishable from surrounding flora. A predator could stare directly at it and see nothing more than floating seaweed. It moves with ethereal grace, propelled by two tiny, almost invisible fins that beat rapidly, shimmering like heat haze. Its movements are slow and swaying, perfectly synchronized with ocean currents. It doesn't swim, it dances with the sea. Like its seahorse cousins, the male carries the eggs. The female deposits bright pink eggs onto a special brood patch on the male's tail. Each lobe, each delicate filament has been shaped over millions of years to create this perfect illusion, a living, breathing piece of its environment. We now burrow deep into the damp, marshy soils of eastern North America, into a world of complete darkness where sight is useless. Here we find the star-nosed mole, whose face seems to have blossomed into a grotesque, fleshy flower, an image straight from science fiction horror. The star is composed of 22 mobile, pink, fleshy tentacles arranged in a circle at the end of its snout. This is not a nose for smelling, it's an organ of touch. It's covered in more than 25,000 sensory receptors, giving the mole a sense of touch so exquisite it can construct a detailed three-dimensional image just by feeling. This star is in constant motion, twitching and touching the surrounding Earth more than 12 times per second. It is essentially seeing the world with its nose. The star-nosed mole holds the record for being the fastest-eating mammal on Earth, identifying and consuming food in as little as 230 milliseconds. This creature has even conquered water. It's a proficient swimmer that can forage along stream and pond bottoms. It has developed a unique technique to smell underwater, blowing bubbles onto objects and re-inhaling them to carry scents back to its nose. Once again, our journey takes us to the profound depths of the ocean, to the abyssal plains over 3,000 meters down. Here we find an animal so charmingly strange, it seems to have floated right out of a child's cartoon, the Dumbo octopus. Named for two large, ear-like fins that protrude from its head, these fins are its primary means of propulsion. It gracefully flaps them, much like the famous elephant's ears, to glide and hover through the water column, a method unique among octopuses. Unlike shallow-water octopuses, it has no ink sac. In the perpetual darkness of its home, an ink cloud would be useless defense. Its body is soft and semi-gelatinous, an adaptation to withstand immense pressure, giving it a bell-shaped body from which 8 small arms hang. It uses its webbed arms to envelop small crustaceans and worms, drifting just above the bottom with large eyes scanning the murky sediment. Because of extreme depths, Dumbo octopuses are rarely seen alive. Each sighting is a precious gift, a glimpse into a world completely alien to our own. For our final creature, we travel to the vast, arid steppes of Central Asia, where an animal migrates across harsh, windswept plains. This is the saiga antelope, looking like a cross between an antelope and something from a distant planet's menagerie. Its most striking feature is its extraordinary nose, a large, bulbous, inflatable proboscis that droops over its mouth. In brutally cold winters, this complex structure acts as an efficient radiator, warming frigid air before it reaches the lungs, preventing potentially fatal cold shock. During hot, dusty summers, the same structure serves as a filter, cleaning air of dust kicked up by the herd and helping cool the animal's blood. This remarkable nose is a combination air conditioner and purifier essential for life in a land of extremes. The saiga is critically endangered, a relic of the Ice Age that once roamed alongside woolly mammoths. Today, its herds face threats from poaching and disease. During mating season, the male's proboscis swells and becomes even more prominent, used to produce loud, roaring calls to attract females and intimidate rivals. We have journeyed from the perpetual darkness of the abyss to the sun-scorched steppes, and met creatures that stretch the very definition of life on Earth. Each one is a testament to the wild, untamed imagination of evolution, proving that our planet is still a world of endless discovery. These animals are not alien visitors, they are our planetary neighbors, products of the same tree of life to which we belong. They remind us that there are entire worlds of perception happening all around us, hidden in plain sight or tucked away in the planet's most inaccessible corners. Which of these incredible creatures surprised you the most? Was it the regenerating axolotl or the star-faced mole? Let us know in the comments below. And if you wish to continue exploring the strange and fascinating secrets of our world, please remember to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for joining us on Unknown Facts.